This is the Merrill PKPF repair kit for the Merrill Model M2000 frost-proof yard hydrant. So on the front of the package here, you can see a list of the parts that will come with, as well as the separate part numbers for each of the parts. We'll go ahead and get it out of the box here. Alright, so it'll come with the packing nut, the pivot connector, the pivot connector nuts, which are two just standard hex nuts, and the two link plates or draw straps, a small rubber O-ring, the plunger, which is a hard rubber material down at that stainless steel rod with those internal female threads. Then you have the packing. So we'll go ahead and get a couple measurements of each part in the kit, starting with the link plates. So we'll get a total length. See, it measures right above 3 inches. That's 3 inches and an eighth. And we can measure the packing nut as well. We'll start with a total length. And that'll measure right above 3/4 of an inch. And we can also get an outer diameter here at that hex side. And that will measure right about the same, just above 3/4 of an inch. And then we'll measure the plunger, starting with a total length. So end of the rod to the top of the plunger assembly. It measures right at about 1.25 inches. And also get an outer diameter at the pipe, measuring right at 1/2 inch. And then we can measure the packing. Measure right about 3/4 of an inch, and with an outer diameter of just below 3/4 of an inch. And then the pivot connector, we'll measure it from end to end. And that'll measure right at 1.25 inches. We can also measure the hole through the center, measuring right at 1/2 inch. And last but not least, we can measure the outer diameter of that rubber O-ring. So that'll measure right at 1/2 inch as well. Alright, and once again, this is the Merrill PKPF repair kit.